It's a Super Bowl. What the hell are you doing?
Definitely not.
Come on. That's it. Cover the perimeter.
What did I have to have?
He didn't get it. Woo!
Look at that spot right
What?
there.
What? Well, challenge. He can challenge it. He can challenge that fucking sport. Friggin' sport. Nothing. 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 What? What's that? They are running team. Bleh. Come on. Stuff them. Whoa. Yes, sir. Woo. 3rd and 6. Yes. I don't give him 5 at park. Jesus. Get up there, for Christ's sake. Pick it. Are you shitting me? Oh, baby.
All right,
Woo!
he's feeling good.
Put someone over there, you a-hole.
That was horrible.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Play defense, play D.
I thought last year was pretty good.
All right. All right. Whoa. Whoa. Who's in the 4 and 7? Go, go, go. Yes.
He sounds intelligent enough. Who said he was dumb?
Get him, get him. 14-10. Go. Pick it. Jesus. Fair flag. Flag.
Face mask.
Offensive.
That's Arlington again.
Offensive.
That's a second reception.
Shit me.
No, Katie.
Oh, bullshit.
That was.
I mean, you have 6 seconds. I don't think you can afford it.
Oh, come on.
You want to make sure you didn't miss 3 points out of here.
Jesus. He's running the play?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh
Logan Ryan.
my God.
I like it's good. Why not? I like it.
It's like, this is like someone tripping.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. What are you doing, honey? This is good. I like Katy Perry, man.
I like Katy Perry, man.
Oh, yeah.
It is Missy Elliott.
Tell you, boo.
Marco was the same guy that liked the Who a couple of years ago.
Who's the best? The best who ever graced the stage.
Yeah, I don't know, Marty. It's 2000 high